Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 4 divided 1 by 2 times 4. So let's start with today's video solution. So in this math, this question will trick your mind. Many people cancel out the 2 with 4 and their answer is 2, and then 4 divided by 2 is 2. They think that 2 is the correct answer, but no, it's incorrect. Yes, because they think that as per BODMAS or PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division both have same priority. Yes, it's correct. Multiplication and division have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right always. Yes, this step many people forget and reach that wrong answer. So 4 divided 1 by 2. So there are two different things, 4 divided 2 and 4 divided 1 by 2. In this case, the answer is 2. But in this case, it's 4 multiplied 2 by 1. So it's 8. So this is 8, not 2. So 4 divided 1 by 2 is 8 and 8 times 4 is 32. So what is the correct answer? 32, not 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.